radar to buy them. Suddenly something happened, and right there where I'm hovering on the 3rd of June of this year, we saw a close above the blue support resistance line, and at this point this is the beginning of a bull market. So bull market for Dollar General. We're looking for opportunity to get the stock at the best price, so I wasn't, I wanted this gap to close. So from 2nd of June to 3rd of June, there was a relatively sizable gap, about 10% or so. So I was waiting for it to close, and it sort of did actually, like around here. So notice that this gap was still open, but then around October, you can see it closed. There's no more gap because the price came down and closed the gap, and then I'm like, okay, this is it. Around October 31st, I saw this opportunity that the price was breaking below the blue line, but was not really making any progress down, and it closed above the blue line, and basically this is all I needed to know at this point. And notice that the stock, took a little while, but the last 3 days it just skyrocketed on earnings. Earnings were positive. Again, don't count on earnings to be any kind of catalyst. I mean, definitely it's a catalyst, but you don't know if it's going to be a positive or a negative catalyst. Sometimes there's a positive earnings, and sometimes there are negative earnings, and sometimes, there is the reaction of the market to those earnings are completely, wild. Sometimes they're positive, sometimes they're negative. Unpredictable. In this case, we're just looking at levels. We're looking at the price level, and if the price level is right and the price is good, we're buying it. And in this case, we can see it clearly on the chart because the price came down towards the blue support resistance line. It implies being oversold. Okay, and so we went ahead and we bought here. So now the last 2 to 3 days, the move was really significant. Stock is up over 36% since the alert was issued. Congratulations if you opened. All right.